I'm taking these 3 hanging wood signs and I'm going to paint them different colors. And I'm going to do the same thing for these wood shapes. Now I'm just going to flip these around and pull out the twine. And now I'm just going to hot glue all of them together. I use glitter cardstock to cut out the words. I'm just going to take this paper roll. I believe it is a craft wrapping paper. And I'm going to take a flat canvas and just lay it right on top of the craft paper and cut out the shape. Then I'm just going to hot glue the edges down. Then I'm going to take this wire garland and I'm going to use 2 strands, twist them together, and then shape it into a circle. Now I'm just going to take some string and I'm going to double it up and hot glue it down. I'm going to do this for the other side as well. And now I'm just going to hot glue this down and place a gnome on top of it. Now I'm taking this picture frame and I'm going to remove everything from it, sand it down, and paint it black. So I'm just taking the backing from the frame and I'm going to take some red cardstock and trace out the shape. And for this part, I use my Cricut to cut out the lights and the words. So this is the final look for all of the projects. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications. You'll be notified every time I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one.